Hello, this is Bharti Tanode, and now I am going to conduct one topic from Mathematics 3, that is nth order linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Let's see the definition of linear differential equation. Linear differential equation which contains the differential coefficients and dependent variable in first degree, which does not contains the product of differential coefficients and dependent variable, and all coefficients must be constant, is called linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Now there are three conditions for linear differential equation. First one, linear differential coefficients and dependent variable in first degree. गिवन इक्वेशन में डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट्स एंड डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल की डिग्री 1 चाहिए. सेकेंड कंडीशन इज विच डज नॉट कंटेन्स द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट्स एंड डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. इक्वेशन में डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट्स एंड डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल का प्रोडक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड थर्ड कंडीशन, all coefficients must be constant. So now we see first order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. ये हमने पढ़ा है पहले. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन विथ कांस्टेंट कोएफिशिएंट, बट इट्स a naught dy by dx plus a1y is equal to f of x, some function of x. Here dy by dx is differential coefficient, y is dependent variable, x is independent variable, and here there is no product of differential coefficient and dependent variable, and a0 a1 are constant coefficients. So this is first order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. For example, this is first order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. This is example of first order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Now second order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. What is a0 d2y by dx square plus a1 dy by dx plus a2y is equal to f of x. Now d2y by dx square, dy by dx, these are differential coefficients. Here y is dependent variable, x is independent variable, and there is no product of differential coefficients and dependent variable. So this is second order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. For example, d2y by dx square plus 2dy by dx plus 5y is equal to some function of x, that is x square. So this is example of second order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Now generalize this up to nth order. So we get nth order linear differential equation with constant coefficient, that is a0 dny by dx raised to n plus a1 dny n minus 1y by dx raised to n minus 1 plus up to a n y is equal to f of x. This is nth order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Now we see some concepts. First is homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient, non-homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient, and third one is auxiliary equation. So for that we consider this equation as 1. So in equation 1 we use a differential operator capital D for d by dx is equal to d, d square by dx square is equal to capital D square, d cube by dx cube is equal to capital D cube, up to अब d रेस्ट टू n by dx रेस्ट टू n, इसके लिए क्या आएगा, कैपिटल D रेस्ट टू n. ये सब ऑपरेटर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. सो इक्वेशन 1 becomes dn by dx रेस्ट टू n की जगह पे आएगा कैपिटल D रेस्ट टू n, बाकी एज इट इज a0 y प्लस a1 d रेस्ट टू n minus 1 y प्लस an minus 1 dy प्लस लास्ट a and y is equal to f of x. That is f of x. So now take y common. क्या आएगा? a नॉट डी रेस टू n प्लस a वन डी रेस टू n माइनस वन प्लस a n माइनस वन कैपिटल D, यहाँ पे D रह गया है, प्लस a n इंटू वाई इज इक्वल टू f of x. So consider this as equation second and let this term be phi of D. So phi of D, a naught d raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 plus up to an. This is phi of D and this is nth degree polynomial. This is nth degree polynomial in capital D. So equation 1 becomes phi of D y is equal to f of x. So consider this as equation third. Now let's see first concept, that is non-homogeneous linear differential equation. So our equation third is non-homogeneous linear differential equation. Equation third, this is non-homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Now homogeneous equation, second concept is homogeneous linear differential equation. What is? If f of x is 0, in equation third, if f of x is 0, then equation third becomes phi of dy is equal to 0. Phi of dy is equal to 0, and that equation phi of dy is equal to 0 is homogeneous linear differential equation. Now next concept, auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? Phi of d is equal to 0. Phi of d is equal to 0 is auxiliary equation. Now phi of d, a naught d raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 plus an is equal to 0 is auxiliary equation. For example, if this is first order linear differential equation with constant coefficient, so d plus 1 y is equal to 0, then what will be the auxiliary equation of this equation? So phi of d क्या है यहाँ पे? Phi of d is d plus 1 is equal to 0. That is d plus 1 is equal to 0 is auxiliary equation of this linear differential equation. Now we discuss about the solution of phi of dy is equal to 0. We discuss the solution of equation phi of dy is equal to 0. Let's see solution of phi of dy is equal to 0. Here solution of phi of dy is equal to 0 is called as complementary function. Is called as complementary function. So there are different cases, and that cases depending on the nature of roots of auxiliary equation phi of d is equal to 0. So first case is the case of real and different roots. If given auxiliary equation has real and different roots, then what will be the solution of phi of dy is equal to 0? Let the root of phi of d is equal to 0 be m1, m2 up to mn, and these all are real and different. These are n number of roots, m1, m2 up to mn, and these are different roots. Then the solution of phi of dy is equal to 0 will be y is equal to c1 e raised to m1x plus c2 e raised to m2x plus cn e raised to mnx. So number of constants कितने हैं? c1, c2 up to cn. There are n number of constants, and here n number of roots. मतलब यहाँ पे number of roots is equal to number of constants है. So solution for different real root, this one. Now see example, solve d square minus 5d plus 6y is equal to 0. This is second order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Now let's find roots of auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? Here phi of d square minus 5d plus 6 is equal to 0. So what will be the roots? D minus 2, D minus 3 is equal to 0. That is D is equal to 2, 3. So solution of given equation will be, what is? There are two real and different roots. So दो रियल एंड डिफरेंट रूट्स है. सो कांस्टेंट भी कितने होने चाहिए? यहाँ पे देखा हमने 2 कांस्टेंट होने चाहिए, C1 C2. सो व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? y इज इक्वल टू C1 e raised to 2x प्लस C2 e raised to m2x, that is 3x. This is solution of given differential equation. Now second case, that is case of real and repeated roots. Let m1, m2, m3, mn be roots of phi of d is equal to 0, that is auxiliary equation. Then solution of phi of dy is equal to 0 will be y is equal to c1x plus c2 into e raised to m1x plus c3 e raised to m3x plus cn e raised to mnx. Here first two roots are repeated, m1 is equal to mt, m2, and other remaining roots are different. So what will be the solution of phi of dy is equal to 0? Y is equal to c1x plus c2 e raised to m1x. This solution for two repeated root m1 and m2 plus for other remaining different and real roots, इसके लिए solution है. नेक्स्ट कांस्टेंट क्या है? C3 e raised to m3x प्लस cn e raised to mnx, जो कि हमने ये सॉल्यूशन देखा है फर्स्ट केस में. नाउ एग्जांपल सॉल्व d स्क्वायर प्लस 2d प्लस 4y इज इक्वल टू 0. सो वी फाइंड ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन, रूट्स ऑफ ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन. व्हाट इज ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन? d स्क्वायर plus 2d plus 4 is equal to 0. This is auxiliary equation, that is d plus 2 bracket square is equal to 0. So what will be the solution? Roots minus 2 2 times. ठीक है, तो what is this solution? That is y is equal to the solution for two repeated root. What is c1x plus c2 e raised to m1x? m1 or m2 both are same. So what is solution? c1x plus c2 e raised to m1x or m2x both are same, that is minus 2x. This is solution for given equation. Here also number of roots is equal to number of constant. Next case is case of imaginary roots. Let alpha plus I beta, alpha minus I beta be roots of auxiliary equation phi of d is equal to 0. Then what will be the solution? Y is equal to e raised to alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Here number of roots are 2. So number of constants will be 2, c1, c2. Now let's see example. D square plus 1y is equal to 0. Now auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? D square plus 1 is equal to 0. Solve this equation. We get roots d plus or minus I. Plus minus I. These are imaginary, different imaginary roots. So इसके लिए solution देखा है हमने e raised to alpha x into bracket c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So what is alpha here? Here alpha is 0 and beta is coefficient of I, that is 1. So solution y is equal to, what is solution? E raised to 0x into bracket c1 cos x, beta is 1, so c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. that is e raised to 0 is 1. So complementary function, that is solution c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. This is solution. This is complementary function. It is solution of given linear differential equation. Now fourth case, the case of repeated imaginary roots. If alpha plus I beta and alpha minus I beta occur twice, if alpha plus I beta and alpha minus I beta occur twice, then solution, what will be the solution? Y is equal to e raised to alpha x into bracket c1x plus c2 cos beta x plus c3x plus c4 sin beta x. Here number of roots, AB 2 times A, AB 2 times A, so number of roots are 4. So constant will be 4, c1, c2, c3, c4. Now we solve example. D square plus 4 bracket square is equal into y is equal to 0. Now auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? D square plus 4 bracket square, phi of d is equal to 0. Phi of d is equal to 0. So what will be the roots? D square plus 4 into d square plus 4 is equal to 0. So d square plus 4, इसके लिए रूट है प्लस माइनस 2i, इसके लिए भी प्लस माइनस 2i. So there is repeated imaginary roots. So what will be the solution? Here alpha is 0 and beta is coefficient of I, that is 2. Then solution will be y is equal to, क्या होगा, e raised to 0, alpha 0 है, e raised to 0 is 1 into bracket c1x plus c2 cos beta है 2, that is 2x plus c3x plus c4 sin beta 2 है, that is 2x. So this is solution of given linear differential equation. So this was today's topic. Thank you.